Today in this video we're going to discuss about an important and a very simple concept that if we increase the value of voltage then what will happen to the current. So this is a very important concept and very easy too. So let's start the video without wasting much time guys. If the value of voltage increases in a simple circuit with constant resistance then the current also increases proportionally as it is described by the Ohm's law, that is V will be equal to IR. If the value of voltage increases then the current also increases. By doubling the voltage will double the current. However, in complex systems like power grids or with certain devices like motors, by increasing the voltage might be done to reduce the current for efficiency purpose and requiring an inverse relationship to deliver the same power, that is P will be equal to VI, that is the formula for the power. Overall, we can say that in simple resistive circuit, voltage is directly proportional to the current according to the Ohm's law. But in power transmission, voltage and current both are inversely proportional to each other. So it is very simple and very easy to understand. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this.